Throwback to when Ajax celebrated Mother's Day in style. Ajax marked Mother's Day in Holland in 2015 by walking out with their mums ahead of the Dutch Eredivisie game with Cambuur. The players emerged from the dressing room in May 2015 to greet their mums before walking out of the tunnel alongside them, rather than the usual mascots. The idea was warmly received by their fans inside the Amsterdam arena and supporters around the world, who gave the mothers a rapturous round of applause. However, whilst it might be a nice thought, the Ajax players have ruined Mother's Day for the rest of us now. Our chocolates and flowers from the local petrol garage aren't going to be anywhere near as impressive as walking out, hand in hand, in front of 40,000 cheering fans. Still, fair play to Ajax for this. The story was first featured on style.Ajax.com. Simple shareable sport.